Let me show you how to use the DDF block and the wrapping tool. First, use this tool to strip the wire. Next, insert the wire into the wrapping and unwrapping tool. And install the tool onto the block, then wrap the wire. It's done. By the way, the two-sided tool allows for quick change of wire wrapping to wire unwrapping and back. The unused side serves as a handle. Finally, you can use the other side of the tool to unwrap the wire. It's finished. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.